Hello, this is Phil Stevens, Superintendent of Schools, representing the School Building Committee to demonstrate the Wellington School Building Committee's School Project Tax Impact Determination Estimator. The purpose of this video is to provide the community with the opportunity to estimate their individual tax increase if a new school is built. The first slide shows the cost for the chosen project, a new school on a new site, pre-K through 8th grade building, and includes pricing with and without an auditorium, which is a second question that is anticipated to be on the referendum. And it also includes information about the state grant space waivers, if one should be awarded. The town cannot apply for a grant waiver to receive additional reimbursement until after a project grant has been submitted. To utilize the tax estimator, go to the town website, www.wellingtonct.gov. On the front page, you'll see it says School Project Tax Information. Click this link. It will then bring you to the website that has three different opportunities for information here. Under the School Project Tax Information, it says Tax Assessment Database, Tax Impact Estimator, and there will be a how-to video posted, which is being recorded now. Click the Tax Assessment Database. It will bring you to the town GIS, and you're going to click Enter Online Database. At this point, please enter your address into the property lookup. You can also click the caret under address right here to enter your name instead if you so prefer. I have entered 50 Mason Road, which is a town-owned property. When I click search, it brings me to the property card with the information about that particular property. You want to utilize the assessment value of your property to determine your tax impact. Taxes are determined by the assessed value of your property, not on the appraisal or sale price. Once you get this number, your individual assessment, write it down. $97,060 is the assessed value of this property. You will then click back to the town website and enter the tax impact estimator. Click that link. It will bring you to the tax impact estimator. This is a screenshot of a portion of it, of that estimator. The project costs estimated are between 28 million and 43 million, and those depend on if there's an auditorium or not, and if there's an additional waiver approved by the state of Connecticut or not. You will then enter in this yellow box right here, you will enter the number that you wrote down of that's the assessed value of your property. The assessed value of that 50 Mason Road was $97,060. When you click enter, it will change these yellow boxes. There's columns for each property, for each item, whether it's a new school with an auditorium with a waiver or not, and it will change the estimated tax implication over 20 years for you. This estimator tool is live, so if someone is currently using the estimator, please allow them a minute to save or print or evaluate their impact before typing in your assessment, as it will change all the numbers in the yellow columns. This information will help you understand what those columns mean. The column headings are the same for each of the items, whether it's a new school with an auditorium or not, and whether there's a waiver or not. There's the cost of the project, which is the annual cost to the town to pay for the project each year. So that's these numbers here all the way down. You'll see those. The next column is the mill rate. That is the mill rate projection should a school project be approved in utilizing these costs. The next column is the annual increase or decrease in the mill rate each year. So you can see going from 31.27 to 31.55, that is a 0.28 mill increase. The next column is the annual increase or decrease in taxes based on your assessment. This is the number that changes when you enter your assessment value into the yellow box above. This is the change in your taxes each year. So your taxes would go up in this first year in 24 with this assessed value, $27. The next year, 2025, it would go up another $78. If you want to see what your tax increase is over your 22-23 tax bill, add this number to your 2022 tax bill. So for example, if my tax bill was $4,000, in the first year, I would add $28 to that $4,000. The next year, in 2025, my tax bill again in 2022 was $4,000. I would add $106. So each year you add this column's number to your tax bill over and above your 22-23 tax bill. If you have questions, please email the SBC at sbc@wellingtonct.org and share any feedback. If you have questions, you may also call the Town Office building to receive support with this tax impact estimator. Thank you for listening.